Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can animate characters using the Viggle app in Discord. So select your server, go to app directory and select view app here and add app on Viggle AI. Add to server, and I'm just going to add it to the server that I have now. Do have to confirm this first. And then I'm just going to go to the server. To use it, I'm just going to do slash and then animate. I'm just going to drag an image here and then motion prompt, describe the motion. Okay, dancing, and I want the background to be from template here, and I'm just going to press enter, and it's going to basically animate it. It's in a production queue and it will be finished in around 1 to 5 minutes. So I'll be right back when it's finished. Oh, there we go. And this is what it should look like later. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. If you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!